Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, in the previous video, we had seen some SQL queries which were actually we were running out, and we will have just seen out that how you can rename out a table according to your choice. Right. So now in this particular video, we are gonna see some more queries for the SQL only. So let's get started. I'll be going on to the first one note here. Okay, so here I had opened out the DQL commands, right? I had opened out all the DQL commands which we had actually seen. So from this only we'll be choosing some and using them onto our database which we had actually made out. So okay, select the statement has already been done that I had shown you. Okay. Now, for putting out the conditions, that very much clear to you that how you could put out the conditions. Let me just show you that thing once again right here. So I could just write here, select, and let's say just want to select out any particular columns. Okay, let's say my business, I just want to select out the columns. So select name. Okay, that's not name. That's stu underscore name, and let's say student name, and let's say English. Okay, before putting out this condition, actually, I would be interested in adding some more 2-3 rows so that I'm just able to get out the things in a clear manner. Actually, putting out this, and here goes the number thirds for Seema. Okay, the Amit Seema, then let's say Ruchi, next name, marks, let's say 21, let's say here it's 17, let's say this is 19. Okay, so yeah, okay, let me remove this out. Fine, this is right, this is completed. Again, I just want to run this out here. So, okay, what has happened actually? So, okay, instead of students, I need to write out info underscore students. Info underscore students because we have renamed out this particular students file, right? So, fine, that has been inserted. Coming to the new line, again copying that out and first of all changing out the name here. That's info underscore students. That's underscore. And 3 stands. So here comes the 4. Let's say the name is okay. Let's say the name is Sam. Okay. And marks are let's say 20. Okay, not 21. Let that be now, let's say 14, and here the marks are 15, and let's say here the marks are 24. Right, so this one is as well done. Let me just select out this statement and run this out again. So fine, this has again been inserted. Let's copy this out for a while and paste it onto those new lines. So it's now, it's 5, and let's say the name is Ria. Okay, I would be small like this, and let's say the marks are here 10, and let that be 12, and let this be 29. Fine, let's say this is one another row which I have inserted, and it's the time for running this out. Great. So all of these things have been inserted into my tables. What I'll be doing is that I would be setting out and checking it out. So select asterisk from, and here comes my table name, that's info underscore students. Right, let's run this out for at this particular place. And okay, I'm having these 5 particular rows onto my table. The Amit, Seema, Ruchi, Sam, and Ria, these 5 students I'm having, and these are the marks which are stored by, and these are the roll numbers. Fine, let's apply out some conditions. Let's see, my condition is that I want to select out and select out the persons who have marks greater than 20. Select name, where, okay, that's where, select name from, my table name is info underscore students, that's where WHERE, and let me just make it as a small s, it's not capital. Select name from info students, where, and what's the condition? Select name from this, where let's say maths marks are greater than 20. My condition. Right, I would just select out this particular statement and run this out. Okay, select name from and where maths greater than 20, error code unknown character name. Oh, okay, it's not name, it's stu underscore name. Fine. Let's again select this out and run it at this particular place. Yes. So these are the names of three persons, that is Amit, Seema and Ruchi, who are having marks greater than 20. Okay, who are having the marks greater than 20 in mathematics. These are the three persons. Fine. Hope you're clear that how to apply out these particular conditions. Between and not between, I would just not use it right here. Okay. Now let's use out this particular, that is order by. Okay, order by clause. So what's this order by clause actually used for? So how we just use this out? So this is one of the clause which is used whenever you just want to sort any of the things. Sort means that, let's say you just want to display the things by order. Okay, let me first go to the SQL and show you that thing right here. Let's say I write out a statement that select asterisk from info. Okay, that's info underscore is students. Select asterisk from info students, and that's order by, and let's the table name, oh sorry, the column name is stu underscore name. I just select out this statement and run it out here. Now see, basically all of the things, all of the names which I was having, that have been sorted according to the alphabetical order, and that in the ascending order, right? So what the case is that whenever you just want to sort out the names according in names or any particular column according to ascending or descending, so in that case we just use out the order by clause, right? So okay, this I have been actually selected and sorted out, ordered. Fine. Next, let's say I have a case that I just want to select it in the descending order, and that's so in the column name, that is computer. Okay, so let's use that out. So that is select asterisk from info underscore students, order by, my column name is computer, and it's DESC in the descending order. This is how we actually do. And now if I just run that out, see, according to the computer, the marks which were scored by the students in computer, according to that, my whole complete table has been sorted out. See, first one is for the first one is 30, then 29, then 25, 24 and 19. And that's so I have written in the DESC. That's the reason it has been ordered in the descending order. Right? Hope you got out this idea very much clearly. Whatever I was just trying to convey from this particular like code. Right? This is how you like do out the order by clause. Fine. Okay, let me just come down. Okay, select gender from student, group by gender. Now when you just want to group out some particular things, so in that case we just use the group by clause. So in our case we do not particularly cannot do that thing, because we are not having any particular like this, that this particular one is having two or in any three names only or something like that. Okay. Okay, now let's see, I just want to let me just come down first of all. Now we'll be using out the having clause. Okay, let's see that how we just use out this particular, that's the having clause. So see, I just used out the statement that select gender count asterisk from student group by gender having place is equal to Chennai. So I just want to get out the total. Let's say I just want to select out that what's the count of the gender that are having the place is equal to Chennai. Fine, this is where you just use out the having clause. So in the same case, you could just apply out this having clause here itself, because I'm just not adding that right now, because I'm again gonna add out one new column, and that's the column for the basically gender. I'll be adding out one of the columns here, that is the gender. I'll be setting them out, and after that I'll be using out this having clause and one of the other clauses which we have left out. Great. So hope you got out this idea very much clearly. Whatever I was just trying to convey from this, that how you use out the order by, how you basically use out the different conditions from the select statement. Okay, we haven't used out any condition. Let me just see that out. Select. Okay, we had used only order by. So let me just put on, let's say one condition we have used, I guess. Fine, let me just put out select, and let's say I just want to select out, no, not the asterisk, only one column. That's the okay, I just want to get out a marks of one particular student. Okay, so select, and that's the okay, that's maths, comma, that's maths, comma, English, comma, computer from info underscore students, where, okay, let me go above, where name is equal to, what's the name for that person, and let's say the name is Amit. Fine. Putting out the colon and selecting out this statement and running that out. Okay. Select what the unknown name in where clause. Okay, where. Okay, that's named. I'm so sorry. I do not know why it's just simply again and again write name. That's the stu underscore name. Fine. So if I have selected C, maths in 21, in English 23, and computer 25. So Amit has got this much number of marks in the maths, English, and computer. Great. Hope you again got out the idea that how you are gonna do out the relevant things, and next we'll be seeing in the next video. Right. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.